good to let him get out and just run.
Oh, yeah. This is such a beautiful spot.
Yeah, we try to bring him here to socialize with other dogs.
Get him, pups! Get him, Sammy! Get him! Get him, pups! Go, Sammy!
How much were they?
We got a deal on they were 3 and 4 months old. Well, Sydney, I don't know if you know, she's got really bad overbite.
Yeah, I saw that.
So we got her for 900. We got 100 for 1100.
At 3 months, wow, that's pretty expensive. Oh, he was 1,500, but that was at 9 weeks, so yeah, still pretty much fun.
I think you know what? The regular time.
Sammy, you're losing.
But people online, you can find them anywhere between 1,500 and 3,500.
Sammy, you're losing.
Sammy, you're getting hummed. Don't let him hump you. You're a boy. They're both boys.
You lose.
Honey bear.
You lose.
Honey bear.
Sammy, just hanging on anywhere.
Funny. Well, it was, you know, what was really...
Yep, you lose, Sammy. You lose. I think Honey Bear won.
Actually, Honey Bear bred with another dog here during the summer.
Really?
Yeah, it was called a teddy bear dog.